Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to export contacts from Gmail to iPhone. First of all, you need to open up your Google Chrome. After that, tap on the search bar and then type contacts.gmail.com. Now, it will display a list of all your contacts associated with that Gmail or Google account. Also, ensure you are logged into the right account for transferring contacts from Gmail to your iPhone. Now here, you have options, either to select one person's contact or choose multiple contacts for the transfer. So simply, you need to tap on the box next to the specific person you want to transfer. Once selected, then simply tap on 3 bars at the top left corner. After that, below the import option, you will find the export option, so simply go ahead and select that. Now, in the pop-up, select the V card for iOS contacts over here. Also, at the top of it, you have the option of Selected Contacts. Here, tap on the Selected Contacts option, and then tap on Export to proceed. Once done, now it will pop up on your iPhone automatically and you can also edit the name. Thank you everyone for watching, hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.